There's your battery.
I got 3 back here and 1 up front. AGM.
Okay. It's alright, don't worry about it, man. Alright, what's your name real quick?
My name's Cody Clark.
Okay.
I have 4 EVO 12s on a Crescendo 45.
Okay. What is it wired to?
Half on.
Half on. Nice. You've done a lot of testing, I see. Have you got your port dialed in yet?
Yeah, it's been like that for a while, yeah. But I'm about to trade a guy 2 ZVX 15s for 2 of these.
Yep.
I don't know when it's going to be built.
Okay. Do you know the tunings on it?
35 to 55.
35 to 55. All right. Where's your amp at?
That's in the back.
In the back? Okay. Can I see it?
Yeah.
Woo! That was some crazy door flex. All right. Nice. There's your battery.
I got 3 back here and 1 up front. AGM.
Okay. Awesome. Okay. 18 hertz? Okay.
Yeah, it plays really good at 18.
All right. It does like the lows. That 6th order rear.
I was very surprised.
It's your rear tuning is tuned low probably.
Yeah.
So it holds the cone control to react to that. So thanks for the demo, man.
No problem.
Hey, nice to meet you, man. You have a good day.
You too, man.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.